Education is the key that I leave for the younger people. They must go as far as they can go in going to school to be somebody. We may have been educated from all of the various colleges. We haven't lost our traditional values. In fact, the academic learning reinforced the understanding of our Native American culture. So I would suggest to the young people, go to school, be somebody. That is the key to success. We are real. We are traditionalists. We believe in our culture. Thank you very much.